Clearing your search history on eBay can help maintain your privacy and improve your browsing experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Open your web browser and go to the eBay website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the My eBay option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access the privacy settings. In Account Settings, look for a section labeled Privacy. Click on it to find options related to your search history and other privacy settings. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the privacy settings, find the option for Clear search history. Click on this option to remove your previous search entries. Step 5. Confirm your action. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on eBay. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your online shopping experience.